Thousands of people in Chile have been evacuated after a massive volcano eruption. It happened at one of South America's most active volcanoes. The site of Villarrica's eruption was as picturesque as it was dangerous. The eruption sent lava shooting 3,000 feet into the air and flowed down toward communities. The 9,000-foot tall volcano is one of South America's most active and is popular among hikers. Well, we don't have to worry about volcanoes around here, but there's plenty of other things to worry about the next couple of days.
Just a little flooding, a little snow, a little ice. You know, we're dealing with everything but fire falling from the sky, it seems like. And the forecast is going to be very, very active. Let's get right to it. Right now, pinpoint Doppler just showing a few scattered showers across the region. However, that rain will become more heavy tomorrow. Flood watch out for the entire region, and already a couple of flood warnings out. We have one down for the Cumberland River into Barberville and into Williamsburg. At Barberville, the river is expected to go above flood stage. It looks like on Wednesday evening, crest Thursday afternoon into a moderate flood, about 35.5 feet. That's about 7 feet above flood stage. And then it'll go below flood stage Friday afternoon. Now, for our friends down at Williamsburg, the Cumberland River also expected to flood there. We are expecting it to go into flood stage Wednesday afternoon, and then crest Thursday evening around 29.5 feet. That's about 8 feet above flood stage, and then that will drop down to below flood stage as we go into Saturday. So it's going to take a little longer to get that water out of Williamsburg, where it's a little further down river. Also, winter storm watch out for all of eastern Kentucky. You can see back into central and western Kentucky, winter storm warnings are already out. I suspect that most of eastern Kentucky will join them in a winter storm warning soon. Just waiting on the Weather Service to see what they decide when to go with that. Right now, just scattered showers. You can see a little rain from West Liberty back over towards Campton. Another round of showers from Harlan up to Whitesburg. Now, that's helping to melt the snowpack right now. That's not a good thing. That's what will help to contribute to that flooding. And also, we've got more rain on the way as that cold front slowly works its way off to the east. Tomorrow, temperatures will fall throughout the day. We're going to start off around midnight into the mid-50s, close to where we are right now. By tomorrow afternoon, 40s and 30s. By tomorrow night, 20s. By Thursday morning, hello teens. So it is a big, big change in the weather. You can see the warm air coming up ahead of the front, cold air building behind it. That collision between the warm and cold air is what's going to cause all this rain. Not to mention we're getting a ton of moisture fed in from the Gulf of Mexico. You can see we'll keep that rain through the afternoon. We'll turn it over to sleet and snow sometime either tomorrow evening or early Thursday. That changeover still a little bit in question, but I would say be ready to start dealing with sleet, freezing rain, and snow as early as Wednesday, late afternoon, early evening. And then by Thursday, we move that on out of here. Here's a little closer look with future view. You can see taking you through the overnight tonight, just more of the scattered rain. Temperatures remain warm into the 50s. We go into Wednesday morning. Here comes the rain. Wednesday afternoon is when that snow begins to start. It could be as late as Wednesday evening. Now, as far as how much we are expecting, the map has not changed a whole lot from yesterday. We are talking, for most of us, 3 to 6 inches of snow after seeing 2 to 3 inches of rain. So that's why we have the flood threat. The snow threat, once again, 3 to 6 inches for most of the region, a little less near the Virginia and Tennessee border. We've bumped them down to 2 to 4 inches because they will see more sleet and freezing rain. That's a whole different set of problems. And up into central Kentucky, 5 to 10 inches of snow. Some of the computer models going even higher than that. If you have friends from Lexington to Moorhead, they probably have a lot of snow heading their way. If you have travel plans heading up near central Kentucky for Thursday, probably would postpone them. You're just probably going to have a hard time getting there, and then we dry out this weekend.
Well, at least we dry out for the weekend. There is a silver lining.
And we're looking warmer next week.
All right, sounds good. Shane, thank you very much. Straight ahead on First at 4.